Hey guys, it's MovieStarPlanet here, and today someone's in my den. I'm not lonely. Not by this video. The point of this video is mail time. I haven't done one in a long time. I don't check when I last did mail time, but I'm pretty sure it was ages ago. Okay.
I feel like coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.
Okay, I want to see who's in my den. Cause is my den locked? No, so it could be anyone. I've got an itchy nose as well, but I can't be bothered to itch it. I gave in. Want to see my pet shop? I think it's pet shops. Everyone wants to act as a pet, but I want to put these pets in for a reason, guys. It's quite laggy though. Not super laggy, but it can be laggy. And look, here's my little yeah, I'm quite obsessed. Okay then. So that's about it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you in the next one. Goodbye.